Hello, this is Chris Menard. Today I have 5 Outlook calendar tips for you today. So let's go ahead and get started. This will be really short. Tip number 1, I'm using the desktop version of Outlook. When you right click, make a new meeting request. This could actually be an appointment too for just yourself. I'm not going to fill out the title, required, optional. I'm going to change the time though to 12 p.m. I need to meet a client, so this is going to be off-site meeting at a restaurant. So when you click in the location field, there's a restaurant here in Atlanta called Houston's. I type in Houston's Atlanta, and there are all the different locations down below. I'm going to pick one. On your mobile device, iOS for sure, it will tell you when you need to leave for that appointment. I'm an Android person, not working on Android yet, but it's coming. But it will tell you when to leave. But the tip is you can type in the address and it starts pulling it up. If I pick another restaurant, Buckhead Diner, click it, there it goes. This works on Outlook for the desktop, plus it works on Outlook for the web. The next tip, tip number 2, is you can also come in here and in Outlook, a new feature that's in Word, Outlook, PowerPoint, and Excel, you can sit here and dictate. You can do it for a calendar appointment. You can do it for an email. I don't believe it's going to let me do it since I'm recording right now, but let's give it a shot. Hello, this is Chris Menard, period. I am looking forward to having lunch and discussing the new software we've developed, period. Will Susan Jones be coming? Question mark. New paragraph. This appears to be working, so I'm going to quit, period. Anyway, there you go. There is dictate. It is for, again, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook. And Outlook, it works in your email and calendar. The next tips, that was tip number 2. Tip number 3, when you're setting up your meetings, if you notice up here, there's an option for response options. I haven't quite figured out why it's not here, but there is request, and there's allow new time proposals. But what if I don't want anyone to forward my calendar invite? I don't know why it's not on the desktop one, but I'm going to swap over to Outlook for the web. I already have it running. I'm actually in my same Outlook account. I've got the calendar already pulled up. Click. New meeting request. I'm sorry, I'm not an Outlook for the web. Hold tight. Now I'm an Outlook for the web. My bad. So here we go. I'm going to click. It automatically pops up. I could fill in all this information, but here is, by the way, there's search for a location. I've already showed you that. Still working. If I go though to more options, Outlook for the web, response options, I can turn this check mark off, and I'm not going to go through the whole process. So I turned off allow forwarding. I did test this last night and I could not forward the invite. So there's where that is. It's on the web, but not for the desktop. I came back to the desktop, so that was tip number 3, is to disable forwarding.